faulty. Looks like our door plug is faulty too. Oh no! Broken! Now unplug here. Empty. Protect your belt from any water debris. There you can see. This is the problem. It's inside there. There you are. There it is. This is problem. It's always open. Off you go. Now the glow plugs. Now take the special tool for your safety in operation. This is for left torque, for unscrewing the bolts, so it cannot break. Best product, Müller-Werkzeug. Stage 2. Stage 2 is 20 Newton meters. Can take a few minutes, but you're safe with this tool. Whoa, there it is. It's so easy. This is very easy. Now let's test spark plug cylinder 3. Nothing. Now let's test this spark plug cylinder 4. Yeah. No, it works. Very good. This spark plug works. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Yes. The guy has money. New. This is new. Elektronikglückherzenset. 1. The next mechanic is gonna send you a love letter. 2, 3, 4. That's it. These spark plugs need 90 Newton meters. Don't forget to plug it in. Now, the regulator for the coolant. Clean it well. The cleaner it gets, the better it works. Now it's deep clean. Original part. New. Opening at 92 degrees. Fitting. Tight area. Very tight area. Valve cover needs 9 Newton meters.